In this week's edition of the Business Review, we look at a company on a mission to generate funds while preserving the environment. Consolidated Environment Research Laboratory is on a twofold mission. The company unleashed a series of 8 game-changing notebooks incorporating a condensed version of the CXC syllabus. This caters to a wide range of topics, but importantly serves as a catalyst for environmental awareness and innovation. And Nkrumah Fong is the CEO of the company.
When COVID came, I had already had plans to start Ceres Laboratory, and it just coincidentally trapped us in 2020 in our houses, and I started to build my own laboratory in order to test various ideas that I had, and I started to build my prototypes and said, okay, I'm gonna just get it out there, register my business, and actually actualize a new type of product that I've never seen before.
The company sells notebooks featuring mathematics and biology, which are not only designed to educate, but also go beyond the conventional realms of pen and paper. It incorporates an AI-driven assistant.
Some students probably are aware of what AI can do, but not a lot of students know how to access that information. Adding the AI component in the physical notebook itself is a great feature. When we did the focus group, students, that's exactly what they want. They want to be able to log into ChatGPT, ask whatever questions. Some are aware, some aren't aware, so we bring it in the notebook, exactly what they want.
However, despite this innovative approach, the company has had its fair share of challenges.
Getting a proper, consistent laboratory space where I can consistently go every day and do work was my first major challenge. The second major challenge was funding. It has been primarily out of pocket. So in other words, I work and I use my own money along with government grants to support the development of products. And of course, that has its own effect on my life.
And Mr. Nkrumah says the company is yet to see a substantial profit, but a recent strategic partnership has rekindled hope for financial success.
We did an investment call a few weeks ago, and we got White Rain Publishing to get involved, and we're now in talks. We're finalizing a deal with them. They're gonna be the one that fully publish the book and launch that book into the market, both in Jamaica and the Caribbean, in a few weeks.
With this renewed hope and having sold over 1,000 books since its market entry, the company is now firmly focused on achieving its long-term goals of expansion. For the Business Review, I'm Janella Precious.